It's me, Chloe. Hey, it's me, Jasmine.
And it's me, Ajay.
And we're here in Nottingham.
At Woollerton Hall Park.
Here we have, right in the wild, the Great British White Swan. Beautiful, long neck, orange beak. Now, we've got a little fun fact about the White Swan, everybody. And Jasmine's going to tell us who owns the White Swans in the UK.
Queen Lizzie!
Queen Elizabeth II, the current reigning royal. Here we go.
Chloe, I can't see any of those swimming birds.
Oh, there's one. Here we have now a baby goose. Not quite a baby goose, we call them a gosling here in the UK. There it is with its fluffy little head. It's not quite reached matureness. It could be a teenager. It could go to Maine teen camp. We have found an amazing discovery. We are so excited about this. Please be quiet now. Look, a group of baby things.
Baby what?
Baby things. I'm not sure if they're ducks, goslings, goose or swan, but I will find out. I think they're a goose. Go. Here we have an iconic telephone booth from the UK. Now, here's a fun little fact for you. This one's actually been turned into a defibrillator, which is brilliant. But you see how the door is shorter than it is inside, and that's because these were used a lot in the 1920s and 30s when everybody, well, the men, used to wear top hats. So then you've got space for your top hat.
Did you pay for the parking, Chloe?
Yeah, it cost me £5.
It's a bit dear.
Here we have the beautiful Woollerton Hall. This is a gorgeous Elizabethan building built in 1588, so it's very old.
Did you know, fun fact, this beautiful building was used in the 2011 movie Batman, The Dark Knight Rises. It was Wayne Manor, Chloe. Shall we go up there?
Let's go. Thank you for watching our postcard from Nottingham, United Kingdom.
See you
later.
soon.
Bye.
Bye.